months, we have conducted an experiment. We posted provocative videos and we had gotten provocative and angry responses as well, which can be seen in the raw feelings that transpired from the posts from both sides, the Haitian side and the Dominican side. A book will be out soon. The book entitled Haitians and Dominicans. What's the beef? We thank all Dominicans and Haitians who posted comments after watching our videos related to Haiti and Dominican Republic. The edgy videos were particularly designed to provoke angry responses, in order to bring out the raw feelings of Haitians and Dominicans. But surprisingly there were occasionally the voice of reason. Now let's use this energy to do something positive. If Japan and the United States can enjoy a good relationship now, then why can't Haitians and Dominicans, who share the same island, do the same? Stop hiding behind the computer. Haitians and Dominicans alike. Let's do something positive to bring the Haitian people and the Dominican people closer, as neighbors, who share the same island. Join the Haitian-Dominican Forum, which is comprised of Haitian and Dominican students and graduates from Columbia University, Dominican and Haitian singers and artists, Haitian American and Dominican American politicians, as well as ordinary people like yourself. We will be in touch with all of you guys, soon. We know who you are. Peace. The core argument has always been centered around what this one Haitian and this one Dominican had to say.
This is what the Haitian had to say. Men create borders. God created one island. Haitians have always been on both sides of this island. The original Taino name of the island was Haiti. Quisque is a reference made to Columbus about South America and a promotion of Trujillo for modern-day separation enforcement. The private and business sector in the Dominican Republic benefits enormously from Haitian immigrant peasants' hard work and cheap labor. I have a problem with the mistreatment of the Haitian workers in the Dominican Republic. Both Haitians and Dominicans face the same struggle in their own country. They both risk their lives in rickety boats at high sea and sharks-infested water. Dominicans go to the shore of Puerto Rico and Haitians go to shore of Miami, Florida, in search of a better life. Even though DR is better off economically, the struggle is the same. This is what the Dominican had to say. I don't have any problems with Haitians. I have a lot of Haitian friends in the U.S., my sister is married to a Haitian man, and they have beautiful children and a great family. But I have a problem with too many illegal Haitian immigrants in DR. I recognize Haiti as a country with the same struggle to progress like any other country. It just bothers me when I read things like, the Haitians liberated the Dominicans, when history registered differently. Haitians invaded Dominican Republic several times, and once dominated and oppressed Dominicans for 22 years. The Dominicans had to liberate themselves first from the Spanish, then from the Haitians, and again from the Spanish to put a stop to domination and oppression. But I also recognize that both Haitians and Dominicans are two very progressive groups outside of their country and particularly in the United States. Peace.